Annyeonghaseyo Pilipinas and hello world! Ako po si Ryan at welcome sa Cupcakes po! I've been getting a lot of requests from my subscribers asking me to do something related to the K-pop group Twice. So today, I'll be teaching you how to make K-pop Twice inspired cake pops. So subscribe now and let's get started! I know it seems like there's a lot of ingredients, but it's actually simple. It's actually just 3 ingredients. All you're gonna need are your favorite flavor cupcakes, 1 cup cream cheese frosting, any color of candy melts, any color sprinkles that you like for decorations. And you will also need lollipop sticks. You can find all the ingredients and the items that I'm using today in this video on the description box below. I've used a food processor to shred my cupcakes. If you don't have a food processor, you can either use a knife or your bare hands. Once you're done grinding your cupcakes, we dump them into a large bowl, like this. Me likey. The next step into making our cake pops is to add 1 cup of cream cheese frosting into our round cupcakes. Add your cream cheese frosting into your bowl. Oh, and by the way, if you don't know how to make cream cheese frosting, you can either use a store-bought cream cheese frosting or you can check the details below. I have my own recipe. You mix your cream cheese frosting with your ground cupcakes using a rubber spatula until all the ingredients are well combined. You will know when it's ready if it has a consistency of a cookie dough. The next step is to place our cake pop dough into an airtight container and then we place this in the freezer for 30 minutes. The next step into creating our cake pops is to melt our candy melts. My favorite way of melting a candy melt is to using a candy melt pot. If you don't have a candy melt pot, you can use porcelain cup that's microwave safe. Once the candy melts are ready, set it aside and then take out your cake pop dough out of the freezer. The next step is to evenly portion out our cake pop dough using an ice cream scooper. The next step in creating the cake pops is to roll them out into small balls. The next step in creating the cake pops is to mold them into small into small circles. You can either use a cake pop mold or you can use your bare hands. God's gift. Me likey. Right. They're so cute. The next step in creating the cake pops is to punch holes in each cake ball. You do this by punching a hole and twisting it just halfway through. The next step is to dip your lollipop stick into your candy melt just about half an inch and then stick it into the hole and then you set it aside. Once your candy melts are melted, it's gonna be really thick like this. But if you add 2 teaspoons of Paramount crystals, it's gonna be the right consistency for dipping. Again, I'm gonna have links below for this product. The final step in creating your cake pops is to dip and decorate. You do this by dipping your cake pop into the melted candy melts, like this. Go all the way down until the whole cake pop is covered in the melted cake pop, candy melts. And then you lift up slowly and then you let it drip and give it a little wiggle. That should remove the excess candy melts from the cake pops. Final step is to decorate. You can use any sprinkles you like. I like to use the funfetti ones because they're just fun. Don't forget to subscribe and hit likey for this video. Thanks for watching. See you again next week.